These are the initial settings to create Webyx example page. On Appearance WordPress menu, click on Themes. Activate 2024 WordPress block themes. Click on Plugins menu. Choose Add New Plugin. Search for Webyx plugin. Install it. Activate the plugin. Now we are going to create a full site editing template to use with Webyx. Click on Editor in Appearance WordPress menu. Then go on Template. Click on the plus icon to add a new template. Click on Custom Template and insert a name. Webyx FSE. Let's create it. Choose a pattern. Now create template with a sticky header and content block area. Add group block. Choose layout for gather blocks in a container. Insert a header or choose your pattern. In this case, we are inserting the 2024 default theme header. In Header toolbar, choose full width. Now let's set the header to be fixed at the top. Select Group Block Container. In Position tab, choose Sticky option. Then add Content block. Click on the inserter and search Content block. Add Content block. Perfect. Save the template. Now create a new page with Webyx FSE template and insert Webyx block on the content page. Click on Open Navigation Editor menu. Back to Main Editor menu. Go on Page menu. Click the plus icon to draft a new page. Insert a name, for example Webyx 2024, and then click on the Create Draft button. In Page tab, go on Template. Choose Swipe Template. Choose the previously created template, Webyx FSE. Now click on the inserter. Search for Webyx block and add Webyx block. You have completed the first step for create full screen snap scrolling website.